Thank you for having me here. And as you know, we had launched the i20 N-Line range, and we are very excited. And keeping in mind the target customer, who is really inspired by the WRC cars, who wants cars which are very different, which are not really a part of the crowd. He's somebody who's also creative, and I think this really inspired us to really create a creators arena. So here, we have different zones. There's a musical zone where the i20 actually turns into a musical instrument, and you can really create your own innovative new music. Or there's a graffiti zone where you can use your art to uniquely design the i20. Or there is a there's a zone where you can really be active and sporty, or you can be photogenic. You can really create your own it's a comic zone. Basically we have the animated characters. You can really maybe get yourself clicked with those characters. Or the merchandise, the unique i20 merchandise, which really reflects the lifestyle of an i20 customer. I think the N-Line customer, the whole idea is, how do we really give this customer much more than only a car? So that was the whole idea, and the kind of response we are receiving from the young millennials, it is really mind-boggling. Very right. I think the product itself requires a very different approach. And if you see the tagline, it's time to play. It's time to really play. It's time to experiment. It's time to do something very creative. And that is what the whole idea was. When you see the TVC also, it's very unique, where we have used some animated characters, not really a conventional way. We have used some very billboards, very, very unique and innovative billboards have been used. We have used some digital comics, So we are going back. And really, we want the customers to really, his youth and his sportiness to really come out, his playfulness to come out. And I think the entire idea is, again, like I said, give the customers those bespoke experiences which really make him feel very, very youthful, very, very sporty, very, very fun-loving. And that is the whole idea, and that is the whole concept behind the whole communication plan of It's Time to Play. Look, frankly speaking, I think it's much more about really giving the customer that experience, because like I said, this customer is really looking for much more than only a car. And we believe this merchandise really, will make him much more, associate with the car, much more relate to the car, whether it is the jacket, whether it is the t-shirt, whether it is the shoes, because he is really leads a very active lifestyle. And we believe very strongly that this merchandise will really complete his journey of owning this N-Line range of cars. And so yes, I'm sure the revenues will come, the volumes will come, but I don't think that is the key idea. The idea is to really make sure that this customer gets an experience which he really deserves, which he really desires. The car is now available for display at all the showrooms, and the kind of response we are getting in terms of so many inquiries, a great response from even our consultants. I think people are very excited. Globally, i20 N-Line of course, N-Line range itself is a huge success, whether we see those 40 countries in which we have the N-Line range, or the 11 models, or close to 100,000 sales that we have achieved. So we are very excited. We understand that it's a niche segment, but we also believe that Hyundai, people are really looking at Hyundai to really cater to this specific need of the N-Line range of cars. We have been continuously expanding the signature outlets. In fact, we now already have 188 signature outlets and close to 97, 98 cities. So the footprint is really expanding. The whole idea is that slowly we really reach every nook and corner of the country. So yes, and at the same time, wherever there is no signature outlet, we have a very good system of a hub and spoke where the customer inquiry will be passed on to a signature outlet. So we have taken care, and we are trying to ensure that anybody, anywhere in India can really have the experience of an N-Line.